Okay, so this is a 99 Honda, and I'm not sure why, but it's just not catching. It's got crank, it just doesn't want to turn over. I'll put some gas. A little bit of gas does seem to help sometimes. Any ideas would help. Thanks.